Hello and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Jamie and today we're going to do a full walk around video on this 2015 ES Sport Lancer. Now we'll start off at the front of the car, run you through the condition and also some of the features on the Lancer as well. Starting off at the front of the car, you do have that older style front grille, the shark nose as they used to call it. It looks really aggressive, and especially with those headlights that wrap into the body, just look fantastic on the front of the car as well. You also have that clear bonnet protector as well. So it's actually going to really protect the car from any stone chips or major chipping in the actual windscreen as well. Now we'll come around and we'll look at the first alloy wheel that's fitted onto this vehicle. So you do get these 16-inch alloy wheels. As you can see, this one has been wrapped in a brand new tyre as well, but the wheel itself is in fantastic condition with no marks on the wheel itself at all. Now you do have this little side vent on the side of the fender. It isn't actually functional, it is there just for the aesthetics, but it does look really good and sets off that side fender as well. You get the color-coded exterior mirrors and the door handles. Now the mirrors themselves, if I'm being super picky, just a tiny little scratch on the mirror itself, something you can barely even notice. You do also have the indicator integrated into the mirror. So if anyone's on the side of you, they're actually going to see you indicate whether then it's on the actual side fender. Now coming down the two doors, they do present in good condition. You do actually have the weather shields fitted to the top of the Lancer as well. So again, not only does it look good, but you're also going to be able to have the window down when it is raining, or if when you park the car and it's too hot, and you can leave the window down a bit as well. Now, couple tiny marks here that actually have been touched up though. But again, for a 2015 with 50,000 kilometers, nothing inconsistent with the age of the vehicle. Now with the Lancer as well, you also do get those really aggressive side skirts, and again, that just makes the not only the front but also the side of the vehicle present really aggressive and looks fantastic. Second alloy wheel again is unmarked with fantastic tread on those Yokohama tires on the back as well. Now coming towards the back of the vehicle now, as you can see, probably the best part or best looking part on the actual Lancer itself, do get those really aggressive tail lights. You get the boot spoiler, and you also have all your chrome badging and a high mount stoplight on there as well. Now I'm just going to pop the boot so we can actually take a look inside the boot. So just double clicking on the key, you can open the boot, or from inside the car. As you can see with Lancer, you actually get really good boot space, even though it is a smaller sort of car. Now taking a look underneath, you can also see there is a space saver spare wheel that's never been used, which is always handy to know. Now we'll close that up and keep working our way around to the passenger side of the vehicle. You will notice the fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, so that is the safe side of the vehicle. So if you do ever need a fill up, at least you know you're going to be on the safe side of the road. Again, with another unmarked alloy wheel with fantastic tyre again, so you can see the pattern going on here. These two doors look like they're pretty much unmarked. Again, you have the weather shield on the passenger's door as well. And then getting to the fourth and final wheel, another brand new tyre with a really good wheel. Just has a bit of actual goo on the tyre itself from when they put on the brand new tyre. But as you can see guys, with the exterior condition of the vehicle, previous owners done a great job of maintaining the car, especially for being a 2015. Alright guys, taking a look underneath the bonnet now. So what we have here is the iconic 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine. Has 110 kilowatts and also 197 newton meters of torque. You also get a 6-speed CVT transmission in the vehicle as well. Good size fuel tank, especially for the size of the car. This is 59 litres, and you can also run it on 91 or above. But the actual attractive thing about this engine, or this car to say as well, is actually the fuel consumption. 7.2 litres to the 100 k's. So we'll go for an average distance. So out of an average distance of 59 litres, you can get anywhere around 819 kilometres. Alright guys, now taking a look inside the Lancer, starting off with the driver's side door. Good use by Mitsubishi using a few different materials on the actual car itself, or the door itself, to minimise the amount of plastic use. So you do get the leather, you get the nice trim there as well, and there is a softer sort of vinyl wrap on the actual door itself as well. Do have all your power mirror controls. The driver's window is automatic, and that's up and down. Button to actually lock the windows, and then you have all your mirror controls right on top as well. Now just behind the steering wheel is where you have your traction control button, so for any reason you did need to turn that off, you can. On your right hand stalk is where you have your indicators and your headlights, and the left hand stalk is where you have your front windscreen wiper and the washer as well. Now on the steering wheel, real minimal wear, as you can imagine, with 51,000 kilometers. On the right hand side of the steering wheel is where you have all your cruise control settings. Left hand side is all your media control with all your Bluetooth controls down the bottom. Now moving into the main entertainment system now, as you can see, You do get the nice little head unit. Is a bit of the older one, so it doesn't actually have the screen, but still does everything you need it to do. So you do have AM/FM radio, you have USB and AUX as well, and CD, which not many cars actually have these days. And then as you can see, you just have all your hard buttons to actually control the radio itself. Down below is where you have all your climate control settings, so your temperature on the left hand side, fan speed in the middle, and then where you actually want the air to come out on the right hand side. Now just under here is where you get a little bit of storage. You do have another little bit of storage here. It does say do not smoke in the car, because you shouldn't anyway. 12-volt socket as well. Your 5-speed automatic gearbox. Now you can drive it as a normal automatic, or you can actually shift through the gears manually. So if you do feel like you want to drive a manual car but not actually drive manual, there's your perfect option. You get a hard handbrake as well with 2 cup holders that actually fold away nice and neatly. Then you get the leather wrapped armrest, which is actually quite soft, as you can see there. Then inside the armrest you do have a good amount of storage. Now just going to get the camera person to pan around the interior, show you the condition of the vehicle. With 51,000 kilometers on the odometer, the inside of the car still presents really good, and there are no major marks or scuffs or anything like that on the seats or the carpet or just the interior itself to actually point out. What we'll do now, guys, is we'll jump outside the car and we'll wrap up the video. Okay guys, hopefully that's given you a really good representation of not only the condition but also some of the features that do come with the Mitsubishi Lancer in the 2015 model. Now, a couple things I'd like to talk to you about before I go. This car will qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan, so that's going to give you an additional 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electrical protection, 10 years of premium roadside assist, and also unlimited claims on 181 items, up to $3,600 per claim. The other thing I'd like to talk to you about is the window tint and glass coat package we offer here. So not only are you going to get the darkest legal tint with the lifetime warranty on the actual tint itself, but you will get with the glass coat lifetime warranty on the paintwork of the vehicle, with also unlimited claims on the actual glass coat itself as well. Now of course these added features are an additional cost, but if you do use our in-house finance, Julie and Mario, business managers, will actually show you how minimal it affects the payment once you actually package it together with the car. Last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google with over 990 reviews from our Australia-wide customers, not only can you be assured you're buying a fantastic car, but you're also dealing with the right dealership and the right quality of people to deal with as well. Again, number to call, 99070 555. My name's Jamie, and thank you for watching.